Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So I'm just going to hold down the power button and then go to power off right here and shut down my device. Now when your device is shut down, locate the power button and the volume buttons right here. So we want to hold down the power button and the volume down button, the one that's closest to the power button. So this one that's closer. And hold both these down. So I'm just going to hold both these down at the same time. And my device just turned on. And it should launch you into this recovery screen. So you can see this it's hard to see. But we want to use the volume buttons to go on down to the option to wipe and factory reset. So let's just press this once. And I guess that might be up. So let's go on down to here, factory data reset. Then we can just press the power button on this. And then we got to do it one more time and we're able to reset and wipe everything off it. So if you're trying to reset it, it will be this button right here and the power button. So the one that's closer to the power button, I think that actually is the volume up button. It seems like it's going up when I press it. But to me, it will be the volume down because of the button that is closer down to the bottom. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.